Hope Uzodinma, remember, the problem that we are having today with you is justly because of you called us. Not only me. Hope Uzodinma, I have a meeting with you, together with my triple general, Zuma the Rock, Sky, B44, and with all the rest of the commanders. Hope Uzodinma, we have a meeting together. Hope Uzodinma, you ask my master, the triple general, to lead Biafra. Hope Uzodinma, you ask us, you engage us in some certain work that we are to do for you.
Just wait a minute. When they started having problem with Hope Uzodinma, in this video, I'm going to expose some certain things to you. But I think the video made by Gento that the military said that they have arrested is a very important video to you. He made this video in April when they fell apart, according to him, with Hope Uzodinma. That means before April this year, he has been working with Hope Uzodinma. And in this video, you will hear him saying things like this. Hope Uzodinma sent him to go and assassinate Ugochiri. Do you people remember that Ugochiri had an attempted assassination that God saved him? I'm talking about Ugochiri Kinga, House of Rep, Imo State. Now, this guy continued to expose so many things. How Hope Uzodinma will send them to go and kidnap his opponent. Hope Uzodinma will send them to kill. I'm not the one saying it. You are going to listen to him. But I pity the Nigerian population, the masses, the victims like myself. You know why I am just sorry for us? That is what I'm going to let you know at the end of this video. Take a listen.
Hope Uzodinma, I have come up today to make it clear for our people to understand the kind of barbarism human being, the kind of leader that calls himself a leader. Hope Uzodinma, you try to engage us to work for you. Hope Uzodinma, you promised us that you will give us oil well to control. Hope Uzodinma, you try to engage us to work for you in area of kidnapping, assassination, by attacking your opposition parties. Hope Uzodinma, you told us that you want us to set Agwo to Aka of Mbano so that you can be able to become a governor. And whenever you become a governor, that Hope Uzodinma, you ask us to go and attack our own brother, a Biafra man, being, what is that his name? Atakokwa. What is that his name? Oh, yeah, that is in Ugochiri. That reminds me. Hope Uzodinma, you remember? You remember? You told us that we should go and attack Ugochiri. But we said no. Hope Uzodinma, we only give you the reason and the what and what that we need. Hope Uzodinma, you told us that you will bring to us a treated green leaf, being Igbo, Hope Uzodinma, remember, I was the one that told you that we don't need that your own. That your treated Igbo. That we prefer the one that we are using. Evil man, you have planned a way to poison something and bring to us. Hope Uzodinma, we refuse that we can never attack any of our people. You now move on and use another group, your policemen, to attack Ugochinyere. I want the world to understand this, that Hope Uzodinma is an evil man. And I want the international community to investigate this evil man that calls himself a Hope Uzodinma. He is an evil man. And if Hope Uzodinma is denying that he did not have any meeting with Gentle and with my master and not the rest of the commanders, if Hope Uzodinma swirl over this, Hope Uzodinma must die. And I am standing, making the world and our people to understand the kind of evil man that Hope Uzodinma is. Standing firmly and standing gidigbam, telling our people this. If Hope Uzodinma did not have meeting with me and my master, with other commanders, let I not be alive and see Biafra. But if Hope Uzodinma have this kind of meetings, have this meeting, and have a meeting with me and my master, telling us a way to live Biafra struggle, the same way DOS sold Nnamdi Kanu, let the gods of the land and the Biafran land judge Hope Uzodinma. I have a witnesses. If Hope Uzodinma is denying what I am saying today, being 15th of April 2025, Tony Chukwu in Mbano, Ehime Mbano, Tony Chukwu in Umeze one is aware of what I am saying. The same this Tony Chukwu is the one that told us how to humiliate Ago Tuaka, his own brother, that he has been a problem to them. And we said no, we can never try such. We can never do it. We are only fighting for our freedom, and we are only defending our motherland, and we are only protecting the life and the properties of our own people. Sir White is included, aka Sir White is included. Let Hope come and explain to the Southeast. Let Hope come and explain to what is going on in Igbo land. Hope has sold Biafra land, but Hope, I am assuring you, I must be the one to kill you. I can never hide myself. Hope, I must be the one to kill you. And all those ones that you have been trying to kill, to humiliate, to assassinate. This is time of revolution. This is time for revolution. Let the international, the national, and internationals to investigate Hope. Hope is an evil man. I make it openly today. It has been a long time. That is the reason why if you come up to speak out, they will look away to assassinate you so that you can never expose their secret anymore. Today, I have exposed Hope Uzodinma. And I am a bona fide son of Biafra. I can never betray the cause of Biafra. I can never betray the land. I can never try it. It's better I die than to betray my nation. It's better I give up. It's better I am assassinated than to betray my nation. And I can never die. I can never be betrayed. It has been a long time. That is the reason why if you come up to speak out, they will look away to assassinate you so that you can never expose their secret anymore. Today, I have exposed Hope Uzodinma, and I am a bona fide son of Biafra. I can never betray the cause of Biafra. I can never betray the land. I can never try it. It's better I die than to betray my nation. It's better I give up. It's better I am assassinated than to betray my nation. And I can never die. I can never be betrayed. Onyekwe, Chiekwe. I am out for who it may concern. I am fully out for the person. The Lord Almighty Chukwukabiama have ordained me for this. And I am to fight for Biafrans. For those of all those arrogant DOLs, stupid and nonsense elements that are talking all sorts of manner of nonsense, saying that to kill securities and army police, that is not a way of fighting for freedom. Let me tell you, Nigerians must hook you, and you must pay back. Either you pay back the money, or you pay back with your life. The kingdom of God suffereth violence, and it is only the violent that can take it by force. Now before, when they deceive us, this time around, we must cut it by fire by force and collect what that belongs to us. This is Biafra nation. Releasing Nnamdi Kanu today, let peace reign in Southeast. He challenged to you people, release me! Release me! If you release me, I give you only but 2 hours. 2 minutes. Biafra land will be calm. Why can't you release the young man? What have the young man did to you? Finish government. Release Simon Ekpa. All these governors and senators have already sold themselves. They all are Islamic. They all have been a homeless in the hand of Fulani jihadists. Fulani has been sleeping with them, man to man. They have sold their souls. So life of the people that they are proclaiming that they are guiding, that they are ruling, that they are chiefing on, it's nonsense before them. And that's why we are saying no to them. And that's why we say no to them. And they can never achieve their goal. Biafra land is not an Islamic nation. And it can never be. Biafra is a Biafra. Nigeria is a business center. And Nigeria have never been a nation. And it can never be a nation. That's why we are standing firmly. Thank God today, Biafra has a man. Thank God today, our soldiers is standing firmly. Thank God today, we are standing strong. And thank God today, the gods of the land have started his work upon all the enemies of Biafrans all over the world. His Excellency, Donald Trump, we honored you, and we must keep on respecting you. Biafrans is not a terrorist group, and we can never be. Self-defense and self-determination is not a crime internationally, and it can never be a crime. We must defend the motherland till today. Look at, since they burnt down 18 people in Kanu, since they have been raping our women in Enugu, since they have been carrying their cows all over the streets in Anambra, Soludo, what have you done? Peter Mba, what have you done? Ebonyi State Governor, what have you done? The evil ones we have. Alex Oti, I know your state is calm somehow, but fight the same fight you fought with Hope Uzodinma, his evil man. He has been trying to demolish Biafrans. Yasilogo, Oga Korea. Ebol upland no ga work now upland a lot of show bombard all over Biafra nation, all over Biafra territory. Proclaiming and claiming that you have nowhere Biafra Liberation Armies are staying. Tomorrow you will be hearing how he has been killing his own people, bombarding everywhere in the name of his fighting for terrorists and others. People that are only seeking for their freedom, people that are defending their motherland, people that are fighting, agitating for their freedom is a terrorist. The people that are massacring innocent people in Biafra land, in South, they are now a hunters of a human being. A hunters of human beings, and organs harvesters is now a hunter. Tinubu, an organs harvesters, a terrorist, Fulani jihadis, Fulani herdsmen, Boko Haram, Islam is now a hunter. It is only God that will judge all of you. How many years do you think that you have to live in this life? Only but one day you must die and give up. But let me tell you, you see this herd, you people can never get it. It does not belong to you people. Onyekwe, Chiekwe. Fuck all of you there. Fuck all of you there. May God bless all Biafrans and lovers of Biafra, lovers of freedom all over the world. I throw a salute to you. His Excellency Donald Trump, I throw a salute to you. Thank and God bless all of you. And if Uzodinma is denying that he did not have any meeting with Gentle and with my master and not the rest of the commanders, if Uzodinma swell over this, Uzodinma must die. And I am standing, making the world and our people to understand the kind of evil man that Uzodinma is. Standing family and standing gidigbam, telling our people this. If Uzodinma did not have meeting with me and my master, with other commanders, let I know be.
Now, let us call a spade a spade. If you have been following me on YouTube, I think you would understand that I used to say one thing, that if the insecurity in Nigeria wants to end today, the politicians can end it. That there is no insurgency, unrest in Nigeria that is not being sponsored by politicians. I've been saying it. Now, I want you to judge yourself from what this guy has said. Have you seen me talking more about the leaders of all these terrorist organizations like Boko Haram, this or that, both the ones they are making peace deal with, both the ones they are killing? I don't put mouth. You know why? I know that the sponsors of these people can only kill you or arrest you if you fall apart with them. So what happened when they have not fallen apart with him? This is a serious problem. I'm sorry to the general population, because every day they are kidnapping, hey, they catch Boko Haram, they catch this guy, hey, they arrested Gentle. You should know that that politician paying you is the one sponsoring him. You will not kidnap. If you know that that politician you are kidnapping, that is the one sponsoring him, you will not kidnap. This is a very short and deep insight for you to understand the crisis in Nigeria. So that is why if I see people say, Nnamdi Kanu, boys are this, I laugh. This is the reason why I have ever defended Nnamdi Kanu. Because these people are being sponsored by politicians, not ipob or Nnamdi Kanu. But a politician cannot come out to say I'm sponsoring insecurity, so they have to put it on ipob. You can't understand Nigeria. Let me stop here.